Home is where the heart is, but don't bug out because unwanted creepy crawlers may be hiding within, lurking under the floorboards in the attic or basement. And they could be outside too. Time to find peace of mind from the inside out.
So we moved to Texas about 2 years ago. My husband and I have been married for about 3 years now. We welcomed our baby boy in about a year ago. He is our whole center. We do everything together. We were looking for a more long-term environment for him. We decided to buy a house with a backyard for our dog and our baby. He loves being outside. Texas is where we decided to put our roots. Our house is our sanctuary. We spend the most time here, evenings, dinners together. We decided to spend more time outside, starting the garden, having my son go down a slide on the playset. As we were out there, we noticed a lot of pest activity, spiders, wasps, and bees in general freaked me out. My dad and brother are both allergic, so as soon as I saw them, I was like, packing it up, we're going inside. So we started doing some research on pest control companies. I didn't know really what to choose, what was best for my family. And then we were walking around the neighborhood and we saw the blue truck drive by and we decided to make that call. Hi, is this Moxie Pest Control?
We're here at one of our customers' homes. Today we're doing their initial service. So the key is to inspect, make sure we see what's going on, and custom tailor the treatment to the home.
It's a lockbox that we're gonna put bait inside that's gonna help control all of those rodents that are around your home.
And that's gonna include a full exterior and a full interior treatment.
Some questions that we had when we were talking with Moxie was, are the products pet and family friendly? We do have a 1-year-old and a dog, so that was super important to us to know. Another thing too is, how do they put out the products? What does it look like when they come to the home? And do we put it on the interior as well if we were to see pests? They were able to explain everything super thoroughly, walked me through everything I needed to know, and answered every one of my questions to a T.
Moxie really is a family-based and owned company that started out small in a garage and has grown into one of the nation's largest pest control companies.
So yeah, I did see a spider that lives behind this. He'll come out frequently, but I haven't been able to kind of catch him yet.
So been here long enough to be considered a pet, maybe?
Yeah, honestly.
One of the absolute worst case scenarios we see is having your peace and safety compromised by dangerous insects in the home, like spiders, ants, disease-bearing rodents, or other insects. There's 2 types of pest control problems. The ones that are extremely visible and you want them gone. And then there's the second type that you can't see until it's almost too late. Things like termites that are doing damage, costing you thousands in costly repairs.
Oh, yeah, you see that wasp nest starting to form right there.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'll grab my pole. It can go 30 feet high and we'll knock that down, and anything else we find up along those eaves, we'll take care of that for you too.
For their home, Alyssa and Tim wanted a quarterly protection plan that included general pest control, ants, spiders, typical household insects, plus mosquito and termite control.
Setting up with Moxie was super easy. They asked me a bunch of questions about what pests I'm seeing, notated everything. When they showed up at the door, I knew that they were truly listening to the problems that I was seeing. They also offer free termite inspections, and we decided to go ahead and get the stations installed with them as well.
Our annual service plans include tailored treatments by the seasons. Moxie also offers additional services like lawn care and commercial services, which allow us to give our world-class pest control to every business virtually nationwide. One of the absolute best parts of our service is the 100% guarantee. So if bugs come back, so do we. At the end of the day, we're here to build a relationship, not just provide a service.
The only advice that I would offer someone that's looking for a pest control company is to go with Moxie. They've been super friendly. Anytime I see a pest problem, I can give them a call and they'll come right out and get something laid down for me. So I have that peace of mind of protection at my home. And thank goodness for that blue truck. Now we don't have to worry.
To learn more, visit moxieservices.com or us at designingspaces.tv.